The High Court in Nairobi has declined to release the late Justice David Majanja's group life insurance benefits to his younger brother, Martin Aluvisia Majanja. Justice Stephen Riechi instead ruled that the money, amounting to 22 million shillings, will be distributed under succession laws. Martin had moved to court seeking the release of the monies to him. Brenda Wanga reports.
He was a giant of the bench, but in death, Justice David Majanja's honest state has become the subject of a sophisticated legal tug-of-war. At the heart of this dispute, some 22 million shillings, the proceeds from a group life insurance policy held by the judiciary. One of the late judge's brothers, Martin Aluvisia Majanja, moved to court seeking to have the entire 22 million shillings released to him. Martin argued that based on Clause 4C of his brother's 2014 will, he was bequeathed all monies in his bank account, shares and choices in action absolutely. His legal team argued that insurance benefits are choices in action, a legal term for rights that can be enforced by a lawsuit, and therefore the money belonged solely to him. Martin further argued that the grant of probate had already been confirmed and that continued withholding of the funds was contrary to the express wishes of the deceased. But this was opposed by Annette Lutivini Majanja, sister of the deceased judge, who argued that insurance proceeds are not choices in action and are therefore governed by the Insurance Act and not automatically by the terms of a will. She also told the court that because the judge hadn't named a specific beneficiary, the money should be treated as interstate property, meaning it belongs to the whole family. The court, in the course of this case, sought to know from the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary if the late judge had nominated a beneficiary of the group life insurance for his retirement benefits. The registrar, in a letter dated January 26, 2026, confirmed that the late judge did not fill out any beneficiary nomination forms for his life insurance or retirement benefits. In a judgment delivered on February 11, 2026, the court delivered a blow to Martin's bid for the millions. The judge ruled that insurance benefits are defined benefits paid out automatically, not choices in action that require legal combat to recover. The 22 million shillings will now be added to the pool of properties not captured in the will. Instead of going to one person, the money will be distributed among the judge's legal heirs under the administration of Gerishom Legitio and Gerard Louis Majanja. The administrators have been given 14 days to file the final distribution plan, with the court set to confirm the share out on March 4, 2026. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV.